Gosh, and Crocodile Habitat. Like guys, I have 2 crab right here, so I'm going to do a catch down a Clarendon. But we do it on a bad time, so we need to catch much. So I curry them down there with some coconut milk. So we're going to use the spur tree spice, curry season to do currying, you know, and all the flavor that we need. Yeah man, the spur tree curry season have everything where they want now. The onion, the scallion, the thyme, everything. Yeah man, so we're going to use it. So now it's a better pack today. So we'll get the crab then clean up. And the coconut already blend already and thing, and for the fire, we'll put some already prep and things. So now meantime, I'm going to open the tips and go down Clarendon and catch the crab then. So I'm going to go on a bad time, go down the dry. So even the rain fall, we mean that's catching regular. Rain not fall down there. So I'm going to say, we'll use spur tree spice curry season today, not the better pack. And this having everything where they want that already. Yeah man. So they crab them here. 2 nice crab now. So I'll get all this clean up. Cut off the mouth. Everything so soon guys I'm done clean up, you know. So I use the washing brush for just brush it out quick and fast. And take off all of the dirt and thing.
You can see bro? Easy up. I make a turn, no go on it.
Border, I think Catherine and Clarendon. Welcome to Clarendon, babes. Gosh, and Crocodile Habitat. Then we have
Yo, that's risky to actually be on them, you know.
yeah, we do.
Yeah.
You go down so. You know, straight. You go so.
Check that one out.
Chip me, eh?
Check that one out there, sir. The one under the bush up there, sir. That one there, yeah.
See you. Guys, from crab bush and I tell you.
See your phone now. So I use my phone better. Nice.
That is it.
Guys, the crab one turn mango one thing. So we now find a crab. So we are look some mango. See one about the mash up still. Kicking the mango chill up into it, guys. See one they mash up. But I find one enough, man. I eat to see me because you're hungry. It's a nice day now. I see them at night. See, one of the guys, I'm better one, yeah? The one I bust up still, but I hate him, you know. Actually, night now, I see them at night shift for stone. But we find two still, we find can go and munch pan. Tips, so you catch me night, you know. Just reach back home. Yeah man, still get people catch cause we not put down none. Or we go in a kind of bad time. You know, rain not far back that side. You know, rain not far where me live. Rain not far back that side, so crab them not out. Yeah man, two nice meal crab. The panic lady. Panic lady man. That is it, so. When we see cook up, you know, guys, in the morning we do cook up. So we are doing them. They must stay tuned. So we have some sweet corn in one at the night too. And we're adding the curry season now. It having everything you want it already. See if I use it there. So if I use chicken, we use 1.5 ounce to a pound of chicken. So you want to decide how to use it, and so we're going to have a scallion, thyme, everything that already. Come here, kill him. Maggie a crack. So the curry sauce can run go down the shell and thing. Crab them done clean up everything and thing. So when the curry go down somewhere or the curry go down somewhere, I put in the crab. And the crab done now, I throw on them two breadfruit here me up on the fire season. So curry crab with breadfruit. Yeah man, so I'm gonna say this poultry sauce per season have everything that already. The scale them, time, everything. Just add the meat and cook. Yeah. So that's why I'm not add nothing to the pot because this having everything that already. Yeah. So soon come remember guys, like, comment, share and subscribe. So guys, me have Old Bay season. It's a good for seafood and all that. So I add a little of the Old Bay to the crab. So I just put on the breadfruit them, you know, on the side so you can go and take some eat and go and roast in the meantime. There's some add in the crab. I'm gonna actually throw a little rosemary in it because I love cook with rosemary. So I'm throw a little rosemary in it. Yeah. Well, okay, I'm dry down somewhere still in the butt. Alright, so we go and go down to like a run down consistency. And guys, let me say, check out the spiritual curry sauce, no MSG. So the person who don't like MSG and supposed to eat MSG or consume MSG can work with the poultry products them. We have the curry one, the brown stew, the all purpose, the oxtail one, enough different meat season, poultry next up. Check out the poultry. So guys, I'm gonna boil them egg here and add to it, you know, so like a tuna plant. So while the egg and the crab and the breadfruit with the silicon, so I'm gonna boil them inside, you know. Yeah man, and see the crab going with there. And the breadfruit them on the side I go and do it thing. Yeah man guys, so 4 egg there boiled, you know? Yeah man. Alright guys, so the breadfruit done now, have the egg I cook, so an egg done cook, me show everything. And remember guys, check out Beaded by Trish. All the beaded bags. Right? Check out on Instagram and TikTok. So if I see a design on our page and in a color you like, you can reach out and she make it in the color you want, right? If you have a design in mind and you don't see it on her profile, you can reach out to her man and she make it for you. Whatever design, whatever color. Very good product guys. Good quality beads, you know, so then you can mash up. Only thing you can destroy the beads, I must fire. Yeah man, you can have them for a lifetime man. So check out Beaded by Trish for all your beaded bags. And guys, for that bag walk, instead of the surrounding area, they can check out Black Bamboo for all your nice jerk. Yeah man, so anyone want a nice street food there, check out Black Bamboo. Very top notch jerk. Or the food overall at Black Bamboo, top notch. KFC like fried chicken. So check out Black Bamboo for your nice or for your best street food. So check out Black Bamboo. Yeah man guys, see it here. So everything done now, see the beetroot here. Yeah man, so we call this curry coconut crab boil, you know, with this poultry sauce. Yeah man, I never let go put the egg in it, but I see the egg in the fridge, I'm gonna say alright then. We'll throw in the egg too. Yeah man, so we curry crab, you know, coconut milk. So this is what I'm up right now.